Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So we are on day 3. I didn't video yesterday, Monday. It is now Tuesday. Monday was too busy. I was gathering everything, making sure they didn't pack certain things. And now you can see the stacks are much higher. And they still have yet to get into the master bedroom. They've got the living room. They're gonna pack the TVs today. More boxes here. And they've packed my son's room. Took the stuff off the walls. We still got to get into the closet, the whole closet. Got his bed, so all the beddings are last. The bathroom is done. I got to go downstairs. I did some touch-up work this morning. Got my electronics together so they could pack it into one box. So this room is done. This is the bathroom. I gotta get to this, so everything is down. And the living room, they got it all packed up. I'm gonna take the stands apart. I got a TV in here. They're gonna put that one in that box. I don't know what they did in here. This is my son, my oldest son's room, college one. So he is ready to go. Yep, they got the drawers. I wonder if they got the closets. They must have. Yep, they got the closets. Just imagining the day we unpack. But yeah, so far so good. It's not looking too bad. There's a lot of boxes. Oh boy. So, and he just wrapped up his office stuff. And let me show you. Whoops. Gotta turn out the lights. They did in the craft room. The craft room is gone, guys. It is gone. So now the trucker will come, the truck driver, he'll come and they'll wrap these things here. Okay, they emptied my bins. This is the first. They took the drawers out. They took the drawers out of the organizer. They didn't do much else in here. But as you can see, it's wrapped. They have my chair back here. They didn't disassemble this. I guess they don't disassemble. I guess that's the driver's job. So I'll let it be. But yeah, hoping to see the driver sometime today so we can touch base and see what we've got going on. And then we get the carpet guys in the day the truck drives out. Let's talk about a really tight schedule. So they still have a lot, and today is the last day of packing. So the whole master bedroom is not packed. I cleaned up my bathroom, so that's ready to go, but we still have a whole closet full. And my drawers, they're all full. So they haven't touched anything. We'll see. I'm hoping that we get some more hands on deck today. I don't know. We'll see. But that's it, guys. I got my master to pack, my son's room to pack, and the kitchen to pack. And then everything else is clean, clean, clean. All right, so I hope you stick with me. We've barely left. We've barely left. And we don't leave until Friday, so we'll see. Thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you on the next video. Love you all. Thank you for your support. Bye, guys.